Hello everyone, welcome back to another Vapor Honing Technologies video. In today's episode, I want to break down the price of the Weekend Warrior and specifically help small-time hobbyists or small-time shops understand why it's priced like it is and how you can help offset those costs. Let's find out. If you're unfamiliar with what the Weekend Warrior is, it's our most popular cabinet here at Vapor Honing Technologies because it offers a large internal workspace and provides excellent results at a lower cost. It's 33 wide, 30 deep, and 28 tall. And inside of that, you are gonna get an LED floodlight. It does a good job of covering the cabinet. The standard Weekend Warrior does have a foot pedal and it makes it much easier to operate. This unit does also include an internal rinse and it's 110 volts, so it's perfect for a small shop or a hobbyist. If you don't know what wet blasting is, it's essentially sandblasting but with the addition of water, and this actually allows you to create much different effects on the surface because you're lowering that impact velocity and you're not creating the heat that is associated with sandblasting. So now that I've explained a little bit about the Weekend Warrior and about wet blasting, let's get to the main point of this video, and that is the price point of the Weekend Warrior. As of 2/22/2023, the Weekend Warrior is listed at $2,864. Now I know a lot of you might be getting some sticker shock right now, but I hope to explain why it's priced like that and again, how you can help offset those costs. So one of the reasons that the Weekend Warrior is priced how it is actually because of its build quality. The pump, the lighting, everything in it is higher quality than what you would typically see on the market. And the way that we can kind of stand behind this claim is actually through our lifetime warranty. Now with our lifetime warranty, it covers things like the cabinet itself, the stand, the pump, anything that would go bad inside the machine that's a non-consumable. Consumables are things like your windows, your gloves, and your blasting gun tips, things that you expect to see a little bit of wear on. Anything that is a lifetime warranty item, we will replace it. You just have to ship it back to us, and if we deem that it needs replacing, we'll ship you a new one back. And you do have to pay shipping both ways, but it's a super good deal because some of those components are more expensive, and this helps offset any maintenance charges down the line. Also, with the cabinet itself, it's made out of 1/4" HDPE, which a lot of people think because it is technically a plastic, it's not as strong as the metal cabinets, but this is not true at all. We actually made a video where we dropped one of these from 60 foot and it barely damaged it, which is incredible because if that was a metal cabinet, of course it would have crumbled. Another program that's available with the Weekend Warrior is our upgrade option without depreciation. If you are a small-time shop, but you're planning to get larger and you purchase the Weekend Warrior to begin your blasting service, let's say five years down the line or even 2 months down the line, you decide the Weekend Warrior is too small and you want to upgrade, if you call us back and you pay $2,864 for your machine, we will give you that money back towards another machine, seeing that you ship it back to us. So it's super easy to just start out with the Weekend Warrior, decide that you want to upgrade, send it back, we'll give you that money back towards your order, and we'll ship you a new one to your door. Now, I know I mentioned at the beginning of this video that there are a few ways that you can actually offset the cost of purchasing a Weekend Warrior. And first of all, if you're doing any like small hobbyist stuff, or even if you're trying to start a small company that is using this machine, you're already going to be getting some value back just from that. This is a great way to add value to any project because you're bringing that perceived value up. Let's say you have a part that looks old and crusty and you're going to put it on something that you're doing. Just by vapor blasting it, you're bringing that perceived value up. So even if you're just processing parts, you're going to be able to charge more for those parts. Additionally, if you decide to offer a vapor blasting service, you can really increase the cash flow that's brought in just by having that machine. We see people charge anywhere between $60 and $120 just for the blasting service, and even at $60, I did a little bit of math here. If you purchase the machine at $2,864 and then you decide to charge $60 for the service, if you break that up into three $20, that's $20 for you to keep for the actual blasting, then that's $20 to put towards consumables, the power for the machine, all of the things associated with running the business. And then $20 just immediately goes back to paying for the machine. The $2,864 divided by the 20 that's going back to pay for the machine is 143.2. If you take that 143.2 and divide it by 8 for an 8-hour working day, that's 17.9 days, okay? If you only do 4 hours a day with it, That's 35.8 days. Even at only 2 hours a day, that's 71.6 days. So guys, over time, this machine is gonna pay for itself. It's gonna save you a lot of time and you're not gonna have to pay your personnel as much. And remember, even if you're just a hobbyist, your time is valuable. So don't waste your time with subpar equipment. Make sure you guys are using only the best. Another way to kind of offset the price of a weekend warrior, and this is not necessarily bringing money in, it's just gonna help you break down the payments that are actually due for the machine. We do offer financing here. Financing is a great way of getting the machine and then using the money that you're making from it to actually help pay it back. And it's also just a great way to be able to have more peace of mind knowing you're not having to put down close to $3,000 on a machine. It allows you to stretch it out and pay it over time. If you guys have any questions regarding the Weekend Warrior or the wet blasting process at all, please leave it in the comments below and we will answer your questions as soon as we can. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day and peace.